Welcome guys to another episode, and today I'm gonna take you to the old Thika Road. Leo nawapeleka hike ya Thika Road ya zamani, and today you're gonna follow me as I take you here on a hike. Alright, stay with me till the end. We're gonna have a good time. Alright, yeah, let's go man, let's go. Oneni vile tumeambiwa guys, si lakini mimi ni nani? Naingia tu. Gentlemen, I will keep on surprising you. Behind me is the newest bridge that the Chinese made during the construction of Thika Road. As you can see, the bridge is so big, so massive. Like, see. Up here is Thika Road. Up here is Thika Road, and here is a bridge that they used to construct. You see, it's massive, massive, massive. That's the river for you. Yeah, this place is so cool and so beautiful. Very, very beautiful place. So as we go on to venture, I'll show you more. All right, let's see the old bridge, how it looks like. Let's go and see how the old bridge look like. Yeah, okay. So guys, there are some dudes who are swimming right here in front of me. Sasa sitaki kuchukua picha because I don't know who they are, so nitapitia tu hapo. As you see, bridge yenyewe iko hapa. See the old bridge of Thika Road. There you go. This is the old bridge. Some gentlemen swimming over there. I want to take some pictures. It's illegal. So I'll be minding my own business because those guys, hey, wanaka very kind of arrogant. Nini ya? Hii hata unanunuanga ikikaa hivyo. Unainunua Jumia vile unaiona hiyo sasa. Unaweza kaekelea kwa meza.
Nasema hiyo Eastern ni ngapi? Sasa ngapi?
500. Sika expensive. You know guys, if you come to think about it, ati hapa ndio zile mabasi mzee zile sijui zilikuwa zinaitwa aje. You remember those buses? They used to pass here, imagine. All these used to be a road. See how it is long? Going up there. Now this is the old Thika road, guys. Full of bushes. Yeah, see? It has tarmac. See stories za jaba. It has tarmac, I'm telling you guys. It has tarmac. So guys, let's explore this place because there's no one else who will come and show you this place. Isipokuwa mimi tu. Yeah. There's some roots there. I don't know. This road is so old. Older than most of you, older than even most of your mothers, maybe. It even have a chalk. It has a white chalk, see? So you guys don't usifikiria ni stories za jaba. It has chalk. So this is the old highway. Old highway. See? Wow. This must be a bridge, a long serving bridge for a long time ago. Let's see the upper side, how it looks like. Wow. See guys, a bridge in the bush, an old bridge in the bush, an old Thika Road bridge in the bush. Let's go and see the other side. There you go. I feel like going down there, guys. I feel like I want to see. I don't know where I can find a path, but I feel like I should go right there down and see. There's no path. There's no path of going. So imagine our ancestors, my ancestors. If you are a Kikuyu and you come from this side of Mount Kenya, you know that your grandfather, your grandfather passed through this road. This one, great grandfather alipitia hapa na kamatatu kamejaa hadi kwa mlango. Unajua watu walikuwa wanawekwa kwa matatu karibu hadi wamwagike. So guys, I think I have found a place I can pass through. Let's go and see the bridge. Yeah, let's go and see the bridge. I hope there's no one here to ask us a question. Let's go and see the bridge. Whether the owner is around. So engineers Someone is doing some good work right there. So the engineers of long time ago, long time ago used what they can use to build this type of a bridge. This was Thika Road long time ago. Guys, I know you have never seen such, and today have a privilege to see where your grandpa and ancestors used to pass. Yeah, that's the place for you. A very beautiful place, and it has a lot of memories, guys. Has a lot of memories. That place has a lot of memories. If our ancestors used to pass there and they are going to take mandizi Nairobi na kule kwingine na Wamasai kufanya trade, yeah, you mean? Yeah. So let's go on with this hike. Still moving, tulitokelezea hapa. So let's go. Oh, there's a good way out. See? Let's continue. I'm happy, guys, I've shown you something new. This place, you see? The road broke. Maybe it's erosion or something here at this area. See? The road broke. Millennials, hata hii barabara hamkupitia hata nyinyi. Oh, there is a swamp there, guys. There is a swamp over there. Someone used to live here. What is this, guys? What is this? It's written what? As I guess what? I don't know. You might be wondering, like, hiyo kitambo, were they bulldozers ama walikuwa wanatumia mattocks kuchimba? Because see, such rocks, such rocks, what did they use to dig such rock from up there to down here, you know? You might be wondering what they used. I don't know whether they were bulldozers that time or just see that rock, man. Were they bulldozers? Who knows? Kama uko na grandpa wa hiyo wakati unaweza niambia nikuje nimhoje niambie whether how they used to make these roads. This is the road I'm hiking today. This is Thika Road, 1952. I have traveled back in time, guys. I have traveled back in time, guys. I have traveled back in time. Some acacia tree here. It's a home of so many birds. As you can see, this must be weaver birds, or I don't know. See this one. Does it have anything inside? I don't know. Or whether they are sleeping. They're like two. They even have a bedroom. Wow, these things are very creative. How do they make such? They even have a bedroom. 2 doors. One for getting in and one for getting out. So if it is attacked, it can get out so quick through any door. You know? Tell me if you have ever been to this place, guys. Let me know if you have ever been to this place. And if you have enjoyed filming with me, tell me, have you ever seen this place? Have you ever been to this place? Have you ever thought of this place? Because this used to be Thika Road long time ago. Coffee plantations over there, reeds. That's Ngoigua. I am almost in Thika, guys. So I have really explored this road, and I hope you have enjoyed. Yeah. You have some greenhouse there. Someone, I guess, bought, and the road ends here. I don't know whether it continues up there, but it seems like this will become the end of my my hike. Oh God, am I going back to the highway now and go back home? See, so this might be the end of the highway, guys. This might be the end. So if it continues, but I know there's a barrier up there, so you can't even pass because of that garden. It's junior nani. But of course, let's try and see whether we can end our stream in a style, right? So the road continues up to that side, So we are going to end the stream here in this bush. Okay? Yes! Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the next episode. Yeah!